Welcome back to the Healing Garage. Today we shall be replacing the spark plugs of the mighty 2017 Chevy Spark. Come on. There we go. Behold, 1.4 liters of can-do effort. 98 horsepower. Who cares? Removing the coils, you will need a 10 millimeter and, an extension for comfort. Ideally, you wouldn't do this when it's screaming hot, but lucky for me, my hands are made of asbestos. Nothing broke off, so that's definitely a start. Ooh, beautiful. There we go. This is kind of exciting. The OE AC Delco GM spark plugs, made in Japan. Woo! Nice. Also, yeah, part number right there for you. To do this, you will need a 14 millimeter deep socket and a large extension. Having the correct, look at that. Gross. Beautiful, but gross. You can even see the gap difference. Gross. Cylinders 1 through 4. That's what 163,000 kilometers looks like. The gap, roughly, is about 45 thousandths on each of them. That's about 10 thou more than what they should be. Always start your threads by hand. You don't need to frickin' ugga-dugga them down. Just a little past snug.
Just a minute. Is there?
Just a dabble, do ya? That's all she needs. Ooga dugga, ooga dugga, ooga dugga.